Once again, we're here in the pretty Moorish town of Vélez de Benaudia, close to the coast of Salobreña and Motril on the Costa Tropical, and we're here to see another one of these great apartments, which is located here in this particular block. And as you can see where the vehicles are parked here, it's actually a ground floor apartment with easy access to all the rooms, everything on one level, ramped access in for those with limited mobility, and with elevator access to the roof terrace and pool, and underground parking. And this apartment has its own private parking space. Let's take a look inside. Once inside the door, as you can see, it's smooth, ramped access all the way inside the building. And here in the main entrance foyer, again, which is ramped all the way around, we have our post boxes, including one for our own individual apartment. And here we have the lift access down to the garage, and lift and stairs up to the third floor, which is the rooftop and pool. The apartment we're coming to see is very individual. It sits here in the corner of the building, so in a very quiet corner, and all this glazed area here is a ground floor courtyard area private to this apartment. Let's take you inside. Making our way through inside the front door, we have an entrance hallway, as you can see, with space for both hanging clothes and storage within these cupboards. Electronic telephone access to the main door to let your guests in. And the first room on the left is a kitchen, fully fitted with fridge freezer, electric oven, hob and extractor. There is a washing machine and dishwasher, and a good range of both wall and base units, topped with these wood effect units here. So electronic hob and oven, no carrying of gas bottles, and the window from the kitchen actually leads out into the little private ground floor terrace, which we'll see in a second. Next room on our left is the second bathroom. So this, as you can see, fully tiled, nice vanity unit and mirror with lights, ventilation again into the patio, and an enclosed, fully tiled shower and loo. Into the living space. This apartment is beautifully decorated and appointed nice furniture. Space, as you can see, for a good sized dining table. Storage. And two 3-seater sofas in the lounge area with good sized coffee table, and a nice little space in the corner to have the desk and a place to work. Double glazed, double opening windows here on this ground floor level. There is parking outside on this level, although we have our private parking space, and as you can see, we can hear the birdsong. We have a full fly screen fitted to keep the bugs out but keep the breeze coming in. Air conditioning unit works both with cool air and heating. And then off this part of the lounge we have two bedrooms. The first is the principal bedroom, which once again has a large double opening, double glazed windows to the outside, again with fly screen. Ensuite bathroom with full bath and shower attachment over the top, very nicely finished and maintained all the way around. once again with nice vanity unit and mirror with lights. The bedroom itself, again like the rest of the apartment, is beautifully decorated. Here you can see large double bed, tastefully decorated around, bedside drawers with lamps, triple wardrobe for storage, and again we have the nice fresh air coming in from the window, and of course here also air conditioning and heating in the winter. Bedroom number 2 is also a double. Once again, very tastefully decorated, space for double bed, bedside cabinets, and as you can see the double glazed doors there, and beyond this room has access into the patio. Built-in double wardrobe, so lots of storage here, air conditioning unit there up above the door, and the very unique ground floor patio. This is the only apartment with a patio like this, which gives us a good space. We have some storage space for outdoor furniture, blinds on the windows there, albeit they're frosted, and more storage here in the corner. So a really lovely, cool place to chill out on hot sunny days, or certainly cozy up out here in the cooler months. Fabulous to have. It is unique, and for somebody would appreciate ground floor living, no stairs, lift access to everything, an absolutely brilliant space. Now that we've seen the apartment itself and the entrance, let me take you to the roof terrace and show you the parking area. Coming out of the lift, directly out onto this large communal roof terrace. There are communal areas at this end for hanging washing out if you need to use it. We are surrounded by tremendous scenery with great views out over the countryside and the lower reaches of the Sierra Nevada mountains. We have toilets at this level, which we're just coming around to see here, and we have a swimming pool on the roof and the artificial grassed area to make it comfortable on the feet. It's a wonderful area, very private up here, and as majority of the units in this complex are mainly Spanish, we try to hide out of the sun for most of the time. A little bit like today, you almost always have the place up here to yourself. The roof terrace itself is extremely spacious, and as you can see, lots of places to hide away if you want some privacy. Take in the views, or look out over the town and the castle itself, and I can assure you up here at night time, with the very low level of light pollution in this area, it is an incredible spot to spend a late evening. I look forward to showing you in person very soon. The parking space is small but big enough for at least 2 motorcycles, bicycles, or a small family car. It is here in the corner and it's next to the lift, and very useful to have indeed.